Good morning, friends. Marlon here, Southwest Plus Sopas. Today, I'm going window cleaning. Exterior only in that house right there. The two stories, and the good thing is that windows on the top there is to clean. It's a big one, and uh, yep, that is a easy to clean window, and there's a two screen at the bottom, but it's easy to come off. And I already had my windows. I already did it in the back there, and I had to go get my ladder because there's more windows on the top over there. So that's right, guys. That's what I'm doing right now. So I'll stand by and see you guys later for updating my the end of this window cleaning job I'm to do here. So anyway, thank you for watching. See you guys later.